I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story, and I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
So far, I've only seen one person who with the.
No, that lady at Dunkin' Donuts, that manager was going on her. He's like, don't do $100 only.
Yeah.
He just looked stressed out. I'm like,
But that's what I'm saying, guys. I've only seen one person with a mask on and the gloves so far. So let's see what happens when we get to LA. What's good, YouTube? Your boy Tyrekejt there. So now, yeah, it's the vlog time. So smash the like button, subscribe for the vlog, and let's go. I'm gonna go pick my girlfriend up, head to the airport real quick, and let me see how good I can do with editing. So it's not that cold, man. So let's go. Alright guys, so we've made it through. I got my baby right there. Oh, they tried to hold us. So
say I'm really innocent. I guess I got a little baby face.
oh, the first thing they said I was too old for her.
I'm like, he got a little hair on his head. I'm older than him.
She capping. But anyways.
He got a little baby face on now. I'm gonna take the shit.
What happened? Oh yeah, so I had this bag in my car, bag of coins in my bag. I don't know what they saw in it. They checked it, it was okay. No, but when I started to travel,
took my leave-in conditioner.
and she just bought that shit too.
And wasted my $6.
But we'll get it somewhere else. Let's see what happens. So far, I haven't seen not one person wearing like a mask or anything. The airport is basically empty. I guess no one is really traveling, guys. So let's just go and see what's popping. Alright, so stay tuned. You did? Damn, you look like a superstar. But we're trying to get some food. Huh? It's up to you. We got like 2 hours before we start boarding, guys. So let's get some food. This girl, all she wants is food. Ooh, they got this food. Where are we gonna eat? Oh, she finna have me go walk the entire airport. Oh, shit, and she finna snap me. Snap away. Okay. Okay. So we're here with baby. Who's the most beautiful girl in the world? No, me. Anyways, we're here at Dunkin' Donuts. We're gonna get some what's my go-to meal at Dunkin' Donuts? Anyways, guys, so egg, bacon, and cheese, and a croissant with a hot chocolate. You dig? Yeah, and that's what we're gonna get. Let me see that.
You always turn around.
I'm so cute. Follow my baby on Snapchat, guys. Vlogger. There she is. Woo! Damn, I'm so good. What?
That's how smoke.
Alright guys, we got some a little mukbang settings in the airport. You see me? Yeah, we got it going, guys. We got some Remember, I'm tall. They gotta do that shit. Like, yeah. So we gotta damn. It's damn big. Yes, I am.
You gonna tell me I don't need no grape jelly or no strawberry jelly?
I'm from Jamaica. I don't do that. Alright? That's my excuse to everything, you know.
Y'all do anything in Jamaica?
Niggas roasted in the comment section.
Y'all do anything in Jamaica? Eat anything besides
Jerk chicken.
jerk chicken, peas and rice?
Rice and peas. Listen, backwards, man. But yeah. Right, so far I've only seen one person who with the But as I'm saying, guys, I've only seen one person with a mask on and the gloves so far. So let's see what happens when we get to LA or
It's gonna be a whole nother story.
Denver. What's it? Denver, right?
No, Salt Lake.
Salt Lake. We got a connecting flight in Salt Lake. So let's see what happens there. I'm gonna smash right now though, so I'll see you all in a bit. Dunkin' Donuts be hitting, guys, but they got so much you want to shout out.
Dang, how you gonna put me on the spot?
What's her name?
Sherelle from the airport, St. Louis airport.
Yes. So what's up with your holiday? What are you doing, man?
Huh? I need her to do my makeup because it's
Yeah,
just
guys,
a natural thing. I need her. Her face is a beat.
Oh, he's hanging out. Damn, this light just hit. That shit hit. Oh. But guys, we made it to a seat or whatever, and now you can see inside. Yeah, we on a plane. Yep. Oh shit.
Thousands of miles and still remember to walk once and get each other.
See them in Salt Lake City.
Salt Lake City.
Tell them we'll see them in Salt Lake City. Say, tell them we'll see them in Salt Lake City.
I just said it.
Say it again.
Salt Lake City, Utah.
You will see you in. That's what you should say. You keep saying the name.